Love is intertwined into everything that we see and do. In fact, when I first met my husband, Ajit, I must admit that my definition of love was quite different. We were young and impressionable. I had not grown up seeing a good example of the meaning of true love. Instead, I was filled with images that were found in television shows and movies. And while that type of love is fun and exciting, the true meaning of love was yet to be learned.
I want to say thank you for joining us on this special occasion.
I want you both to look around in this room and see all the love you both are surrounded by. It's a true blessing, an absolute blessing. My heart has been heavy today watching you both take this next step in your married life. Knowing this was Dad's dream to witness, he was here with us today. I know if he would have told you how beautiful you looked today and how absolutely gorgeous you look tonight. And I know you've been waiting for that day.
You're truly one of the most selfless people I know. You have made many sacrifices in your life, and as your little brother, I want to let you know that it does not go unnoticed. Mac, thank you for all the love and support that you've given Pooja and given our family. We appreciate that a lot. Take care of each other, cherish all that life has to offer, and make sure from now on that Zoe is not excluded from any family event.
To my amazing brother-in-law, Mac, you've not only captured my sister's heart, but have also become an integral part of our family. I know Didi will forever be in good hands, and that feeling is so comforting.
Mac has always been the glue that holds our group of friends together. He's been there through thick and thin, and I can honestly say that I'm proud to call him my friend.
Well, some people might know that I have always had a soft spot for Mac. It has been almost 30 years, in fact, that I have known Ajit's family. Throughout that time, I have seen Mac grow from childhood through college, from working together and one of his first jobs to becoming a responsible adult with an important job caring for the health of others. He is an incredible brother, uncle, son, and friend, and quite frankly, one of the best people I know. Love is both beautiful and painful. It's those painful moments that bring you the highest joy and the lowest pain. You can find love in your darkest and brightest moments. There will be times in life that love will bring you together or completely feel like it is tearing you apart. But love can and will quite literally take your breath away. It can be a small gesture that supports you or time together doing something that fulfills you.
I, like many others here tonight, are in a state of disbelief. Several of us did not know this day would ever happen. I don't mean the wedding itself, but the day that Mukunda decided not to wear his Sooner t-shirt and his NC State basketball shorts.
Oh my God. Wow. You look amazing.
You look handsome.
ताल है पायल में छन छन घूंघट में कोरी है सेहरे में साजन जहाँ भी ये जाए बहारें ही छाए ये खुशियाँ ही पाए मेरे दिल ने दुआ दी है मेरे यार की शादी है मेरे यार की शादी है ढोलक में ताल है पायल में छन छन घट में कोरी है सेहरे में साजन जहाँ भी ये जाए बहारें ही छाए ये खुशियाँ ही पाए मेरे दिल ने दुआ दी है मेरे यार की शादी 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 है
I have made it no secret that the person who marries Mac will need to understand that they are not only getting one of the most amazing people that I know, but also a package deal that includes his brothers, their incredible wives, his parents, his nieces, nephews, and cousins, just to name a few of us who are fans of Mac. We are our bonus gifts.
The experience of learning from all of his older brothers. He's had the opportunity to learn leadership from Ajit. He's had the opportunity to learn work ethic from Amit. He's had the opportunity to, I don't know what you've learned from me, man. You know, when our powers combine, Mac is Captain Planet.
When Mac first mentioned Pooja, he was super coy about it. But we started to see the signs of true love. Mac's love for Pooja is as evident as the Carolina sunsets. Voila. And he's been an incredible pillar of strength for her during some challenging times. Pooja, I have no doubt that you found a loving and caring partner in Mac. And Mac, you found someone who's resilient, caring, and a perfect match for you.
We could go on forever with all these stories, but we wanted to take some time and share some of the things we love about Pooja.
For one, she's always on time. I cannot tell you how many times Jessalyn and I have gotten yelled at for being on Indian or Jane Standard Time, even if we were just 5 minutes late. So Mac, be ready to be on the schedule. She will keep you on it.
Pooja, I am delighted to finally meet you, and am delighted, like everyone else here tonight, to partake in this beautiful celebration. As I mentioned earlier, you have married a gentleman. He is always thoughtful, kind, tries to be funny, and has a track record of going out of his way for others.
Ladies and gentlemen, family and friends, it's an honor and a privilege to be celebrating this extraordinary couple, Pooja and Mac. There we go.
Pooja, wow. He's finally here, right? Finally married to this wonderful man. Didn't think the day would come, but we're here now.
Pooja and I want to thank everyone for being here with us tonight. Many have traveled from both near and far away to be here, and we are truly grateful that all of you were able to celebrate this special occasion.
One of the most beautiful examples of love that I have experienced in my lifetime happened unexpectedly a few months ago when I was sitting with Pooja's family in the bedroom. They would gather at 7 p.m. each night to sing and pray with her father, who was battling cancer. And although I might not have understood the entire language that was being spoken. I did not need to know the words to know that this type of love is what some people wait a lifetime for.
Now you have a new best friend, and I hope that you guys always choose each other the way that we always have.
And last but certainly not least, to my beautiful wife, thank you for all the hard work you've done to make this day incredible. Thank you for all that you do for Zoe and I. We are excited and we look forward to the next chapter of our lives together.
It's been a pleasure to see you all grow. It's been a pleasure and an honor to be part of this event. And I am so excited for you all's future. So with that being said, I wish you both the best of luck in your daycare, your aquarium, and then the Singh Patel International Airport of Kannapolis. Thank you, everyone.